Virginia, okay. But Brian, we need to turn around here. Okay. Now, you can control your bladder, right? No problem. You have a spare pair just in case? You do? In the hotel? Okay. Well, time to make it back to your hotel. Do not worry, Brian, because I got one for you. Okay, what you're going to do is come up here, Brian. Is this wife?
Yes.
Okay, just check it. I open my mouth sometimes and I make it like, oops, I'm sorry, it's not your wife. Okay, here we go. You're gonna hold the target, hold it right by here. Is this life insurance all paid up, ma'am?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. Okay, what you're gonna hear is, where are you going? What you're gonna hear is 3 cracks. The first 2 cracks guide me to this target. The 3rd crack will cut the target along with Brian's arm.
Oh, all right.
Don't worry about it, Brian. You got another one on the other side. Okay. Now, Brian, that means go over 750 miles an hour. Can take off part of your earlobe. Are you still interested?
Yes, I am.
Good. You have no choice. Low target. But Brian, I need to warm up a little bit more. You don't mind me warming up, do you?
I do not.
Okay, good. Woo! I'm warmed up. How about you? Okay, Brian, what you're going to do is hold it down here because I am short, Brian. Brian, I said remain perfectly still, Brian. Brian! Oh no, that's me. That's not a good sign, is it? No, I'm just kidding. Hold it right by you. Are you ready out there, folks?
Woo! Brian,
Are you ready, Brian?
good luck.
Okay. On 3. Here we go.
Oh no. Woo! Bravo!
We call that a close shave. Yes. Very good, Brian. Let's give him a big hand. Okay, now we know how we call that. We call that YouTube material.